Hi guys, good morning. It's 7:15 a.m. here in Davao City. So eto guys, kung dati guys, nung dyan ako sa Vienna, binibili ko na saging is frozen. Frozen siya guys, 5 to 6 pieces lang guys. Nasa 4 euro na siya guys. So, nasa 240 siya. 46 ganun guys. Pero dito guys, eto guys, bigay lang ng kapitbahay, silingan, neighbors. So, eto guys, libre bigay lang ni silingan, ni kapitbahay. So, napakaganda pa naman guys. Ay, napakasarap guys. So, ngayon guys, lalagain ko at ipiprito ko to guys. So, eto guys, ang aking breakfast.